Hey guys, today we re-answering a question I get from clients all the time. Ceramic film or metallic film? Which one's actually better? Both have solid heat rejection, but the technology, user experience, and which market or climate they best suited for. Those are very different stories. Manufacturing process metallic films are made with magnetron sputtering, coating PET with an ultra-thin metallic layer, basically like putting reflective armor on your windows. The advantage: high heat rejection, making them great for high sunlight regions like the Middle East, Australia, or the southern United States. However, the metallic layer can block mobile and GPS signals, and in humid coastal climates, oxidation can be a concern over time. Ceramic films use nanometal oxide particles to block heat without signal interference, perfect for connected urban markets where GPS, 5G, and mobile connectivity are essential, such as Europe, Japan, and most North American cities. Market pricing. Premium metallic films require heavy equipment investment, so they repriced higher, often found in luxury-driven markets like the UAE or Singapore. Ceramic films are cheaper to produce but depend heavily on coating quality. Always check if your supplier holds genuine nano, tech capabilities, and global quality certifications. Heat rejection metallic film reflects 12 to 16% of solar energy directly, ideal for environments with prolonged direct sunlight. Ceramic film absorbs heat, then releases it while blocking more infrared, better suited for mixed climates or regions needing all-round protection. Installation: ceramic film shrinks at a lower temperature, making it easier to install, ideal for markets with high workmanship standards, such as Europe and Japan. Metallic film requires stricter temperature control, making it better for markets with highly experienced installers. Want to know which film fits your region best? Subscribe to our channel. We keep bringing you window film tech insights, market trends, and buyer's guides.